This is Mobile River. Mobile River. This is the terminus of the Alabama River as well. This was one of the reasons why the Union wanted to take Mobile, was access to this river system that terminates in Mobile Bay. Even after the Battle of Mobile Bay, the Alabama River, the Mobile River, was key to capturing Alabama and gaining access to Selma and into the interior. To end the war, they wanted to capture Mobile because of its value to the Confederacy as a logistical center. So Mobile was a key to ending the war, according to General Grant. So that's why even after the Battle of Mobile Bay in 1864, the Union still wanted to capture Mobile. And the Alabama River that turns into the Mobile River right here. Big traffic jam today, so I'm not being unsafe, going real slow. But this is what the Mobile River looks like today. And on this river, on April 12th, 1865, the last of the Confederate Mobile garrison escaped, evacuated on gunboats up this river, up the Mobile River into the Alabama River, up to Demopolis, Alabama, where they awaited to see the state of things, and eventually on May 4th they were surrendered by General Richard Taylor and Commodore Ebenezer Farrand of the Confederate States Navy. Surrendered to officials from the U.S. Navy and Army, and that effectively ended the war east of the Mississippi River on May 4th, 1865. But this is what the Mobile River looks like today, and off the distance you can see Mobile. And yeah, and over there, Spanish Fort.